So moving forward, so we can have a situations in which more than one more than one principal functional group can be present. Not same, but I'm saying different. For example, like this. With this, I have an aldehyde group. And I have a carboxylic acid group. So I should make it like this. Not here, this is bond with OH. See how to name these type of compounds. See, there are two functional groups, both are principal functional group, this and this. Now which one to give preference? So for this I have tried here, you can see this, these are the preferences. Carboxylic acid is the most preferable functional group, then comes sulfonic acid. These are all written here. This is carboxylic acid, sulfonic, and these are anhydrides, alkanoids, halides, amides, cyanides, isocyanides, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, thiols, and amines. See, carboxylic acid is given more preference than sulfonic. Sulfonic is given more preference than acid anhydride, then esters, then halides, then amides, then nitriles, then aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, thiols, amines, alkenes, and alkynes. See, now let's talk of our example. Here we have two groups. This is aldehyde and this is carboxylic acid. Now see from here, carboxylic acid is most preferable and aldehyde is here. So in this compound, carboxylic acid is given more preference. So we have to start numbering from here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will not be present in parent chain, this will be as substituent. So while naming this compound will be a derivative of carboxylic acid family. And see, this aldehyde, while naming this aldehyde, is not present as principal functional group, so its name will come in secondary prefix and this will be secondary suffix. See, what do I mean by that? When this, where is it, aldehyde, this aldehyde, when it is present as principal functional group, its name secondary suffix will be Al. But in our example, this aldehyde is not present as principal functional group, it is present as secondary functional group, so its name will be formyl. So in naming these type of compounds, this will be 4. At 4, what we have? Formyl, and this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4 formyl is for this. This is bute and An for single bond, and for this is present as principal functional group. What is its name in principal functional group? It's oic acid, so here it will be butanoic acid. I hope it's clear. Let's take another example. So let's take here, it's CH3 CH and it is CH2 and C double bond O CH3. basically it's a ketone, and here it is an alcoholic group. See, in this compound we have two functional groups, one is this and one is this. I hope you remember this. It's like this: C double bond O R from here and R from here. This is ketonic group and this is alcohol. Now see from the preference which one is given preference. This is ketone is present here and alcohol, and here is alcohol. So ketone is given preference, then alcohol. So this will be our principal or primary functional group, and this part, this will be our secondary functional group. So while naming, this alcohol is present as secondary. So what is its secondary name? Here is alcohol. What is its secondary name? Hydroxy. So we have to name this first, number it. It's 1 2 3 4. So at 4 we have hydroxy, and yes, it is 1 2 3 4 5. Pent, and it is at, sorry, it's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. This carbon is also present, that's why I have written here pent. And this ketone is present at second, so we write as 2. Now what is the secondary suffix for this ketone? See, from here it's present as principal functional group. Ketone is here, it is one, ONE. So here it will be ONE. Similarly, you can try many examples from this. You can pause video and write it down. It was not possible for me to write each and every functional group, so I take a photo and paste it here. I hope it's clear.